Hello everyone, today we are going to learn that how we can enable click sound in a laptop or a PC. So first we'll click on control panel, it will be open and it will be having 8 options, and we'll click on hardware and sound. Then it will be having 5 and we'll click on sound, and the toolbar will be appeared like this. It will be having recording, sounds, communications, and we'll click on sounds, and here Windows default modified, it's there in my laptop only. And from this toolbar we'll select yes, select, and then from this we are having so many sounds. We have to click it's my choice or it's your choice. So I have selected Windows navigation start. Where is it? Yes, we'll test it. Yes, now we'll click on apply and then OK. Now let's test it. We'll open an app like this PC. Yes, the sound has came. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you want such more videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.